Okay guys, so update on my room. We did run out of paint, so we haven't finished painting, but we are on our way. It just got here, so we're on our way to Ace to go get another can of paint so that we can finish painting. LJ Sweets, all natural, fruta natural.
Is a promoter or whatever.
Yeah. She gives me $10 off if y'all go buy use code FLUDG123. No, but I'm just kidding. Anyways, that's lime and pineapple with salsa gueris and chamoy, and this is mango with chamoy. She makes it from like all natural fruit, or I don't know if she makes it, but it's all natural fruit. I really recommend it. I think this is the hardest decision you have to make. Hey guys, okay, so today is Friday, April 5th. Yesterday, ignore my hair, we just got out of our workout. I say our because my mom and my aunt actually started working out with me, so I'm not going by myself anymore. And that I was gonna vlog today, but I kind of didn't want to like put them in the video because I didn't want them to be like uncomfortable. But I'm gonna go ahead and vlog tomorrow, which is on Friday, since I'm gonna be going by myself because I do have to make up a class from last week. Anyways, point of the story why I'm here is because yesterday I went to Ace Hardware to pick up some paint that I needed. Well, they gave me the wrong color because I had two different colors. You know how I had the light pink and then like the hot pink? Well, they gave me the hot pink color and I needed the light pink. So I'm on my way to see if maybe they can go ahead and exchange it, or am I just gonna have to buy a new one, or what? We went and I was like, I need more paint. Well, Marky told him we need more paint, and he was like, which one? And we said pink something because we didn't know the name, but I knew that that it was called pink something. And the hot pink one was something with a C, like not give it. It was like Cornelius or something. I don't even know. Anyways, so I guess he thought that we meant the pink color. I don't know what kind of confusion it was, but anyways, if I have to buy a new one, then too bad. I'm just gonna have to buy a new one, but that's gonna really suck because that's like $30 on the drain. So hopefully they can exchange it for me, and if not, well, I probably won't vlog me like in there actually telling them like, hey, exchange it. because it's kind of weird, like for me to be there, like with my phone, like in the camera, like, hey, like I'm recording you, you better say yes. No. So yeah, I'll get back on to tell you what they tell me. So I'm back in my beauty room. That's why there's an echo. They did let me exchange the color, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish painting. I bet you're thinking like, girl, it's painted. No. This wall right here needs an extra coat. This part too. And then I need to finish like everything at the top. You see? Wait. You see everything there at the top? I need to finish that too. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. Hopefully, I'm kind of lazy though. But my dad gets back tomorrow, I think, and then he's gonna want to put in the floor and my room's not gonna be done. So I have to do it no matter what. Making some dinner. Chile con carne for my enchiladas. We work as a team here. She's making the rice.
Because mine's better than yours.
Perhaps. First, you have to brown the rice. We're gonna make a tutorial.
Yeah, right.
You have to brown it. Some tomato sauce. And then you add some agua caliente para que no se te quebre el arroz. You want it to get golden brown. Not too brown, just a little gold. Before it burns. Ooh, that sizzle. Jason, subscribe to Clari. So you just spread it all up. Make sure that they're all nice and wet. That's what she said. Guys, if you're not using Kraft American cheese from Riverview or D&E, you're not doing it right. So, hold on. Join me. And D&E sell it to you like this. Well, you have to shred it by yourself though. And you just sprinkle it on there. These are not real enchiladas. As my friend says, they're cheater enchiladas. Because you don't really make the enchiladas ones. It's just chile con carne. Just put them in there.
A few moments later.
So I had to switch my arm because I'm so sore. Anyways, so here it goes, guys. I hit 100 subscribers on YouTube. Thank you so much. I mean, it's only 100, so it might seem like nothing, but to me, like 100 is like a lot. So 100 subscribers. Thank you so much if you're subscribed to my channel, and if you're not, don't forget to subscribe before you go. Anyways, so I did say that when I hit 100 subscribers, I'm gonna do a giveaway. So I am gonna be giving away a eyeshadow palette. I'm still debating on what eyeshadow palette to give away. I'm gonna go to Sephora and I'm gonna check them out, and I'll choose one of the new ones, probably that way it won't be one that y'all might already have. And on top of that, you will get a free makeup application done by me. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be giving for the giveaway. Okay, so rule number 1, you have to be subscribed to my channel because obviously I'm doing this giveaway for my subscribers. Rule number 2, you have to like this video. So you have to give this video a thumbs up. And rule number 3, you have to leave a comment down below. So you can leave me anything. You can leave a cute comment. You can give me ideas of videos that you want to see in the future. You can give me just any feedback that y'all want to, but those are the 3 rules. So subscribe, like my video, and comment down below. And that's it. So I probably will have the video live up tonight, which is Thursday the 5th, and the giveaway ends on Tuesday of next week. So the giveaway will last 5 days, so it will end on Tuesday. So yeah, that's it, guys. Peace out.